How to find limit past post settings on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down until you find here this one, posts, and now click here this one, limit who can see past posts. And as you see here, you can limit who can see past posts. Just click on this one here, and that's how to find limit past posts on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.